Just wait. It's like after what? After 6, Suki? After 7. It's like after 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. And Suki's about to go to school. But Suki said she wants to say her final goodbyes because today I'm going back to work. So she wants to say bye. Watch her! So let me show you, okay? Mm. Don't watch your face. So it look when you just wake up, yeah? And everybody, you know? So, yeah, I'm asleep with all the setters them intact. Can you do that? Some people say them can't sleep with setters. But me can sleep with setters. So anyways, let me show you Suki. Because Suki's about to leave right now. So, we have to get up and open the door for her. This is Suki. Don't you look nice in her uniform? She have exam today. Which exam you have today?
Yes.
She's coming. Whew, rain is falling outside. Up here cold. Cold. So when jump back in my bed, good thing I have a late shift. Cause boy, I see me I travel and I don't even have a setter. I'll be freezing. Oh, Suki's back. Yes, as I was saying. Which exam you have today?
Language.
What?
Language.
English language? She's somewhere. You ready for English language? You ready for the exam? How long you have today? And then when you're done the exam, you come straight home. Oh, in that time. So how today is the first day? So how was your previous exams?
Yeah.
Yeah? You guys hear her? What you say?
The exams were manageable.
So you think you're manageable?
Yeah.
So you think you mash them up?
You would say that.
No, all I said,
Yeah.
even if you feel doubt, say no mash up the exam, say yes, no mash up the exam. But you did study? You sure? How much you sure say you study?
What?
How much you sure say you study?
100%.
Alright. But you look nice. So you're leaving now?
More complicated.
Oh, you're from Katie. Oh, yes, okay. You have your umbrella?
This weekend, yeah, I got food.
And me do our ear now. Me do our ear last night. Wanna believe me? How would you hear? You couldn't see me? Oh well, let me show you Katie now because she's ready as well. So, see you guys in the next clip. You have anything else to say to them before you go?
Bye.
So it's a bye, so it's a dry so.
Bye-bye. I guess. Tune in to the next video.
Yes. So she's trying to say see you in the next vlog. Yeah, next upload. Or when I come back up here, she'll see you in the next vlog. So that's it, and I catch you guys, as I said before, in the next clip.
Baby, how are you, morning?
These nuclear weapons.
Kitty.
I of course do not want anyone to have
Kitty.
weapons, but
Hello,
sadly they
morning.
exist. I think it's very difficult to stop
Morning.
other
Ready for
countries
school?
getting the technology. I think it's just a matter of time when more and more countries
What?
are going to have very advanced nuclear weapons.
Before we run away with the notion of Western interventions, and there are plenty that have.
Kitty, spin around.
I'm not sure I would say this.
Okay, look nice.
Syria, Kosovo, there are plenty of others.
People are so scarred by what happened in Iran.
You're right, but that doesn't mean to say that we should do it.
So we're watching
People saying that actually Donald Trump does need to do something
news.
because we're not going to leave the worst the reputation for America. The damage to the American reputation.
Yeah,
This is what
really.
H.R. McMaster said over the weekend. He's
Kenny.
US National Security
Kenny.
Advisor.
Kitty.
I think it's
Kitty, come here.
which means that we're in a race, really. We're in a race to be able to solve this problem. There are ways to address
You alright?
I'm sure
You can't, you really?
it's getting closer and closer.
Guys, this is Shred's time.
Should he consider talking?
I think he should consider. I was relieved that H.R.
Brother and
McMaster said
sister,
there are
the
other
early
courses
one.
available, and I think that's
He's
alluding
saying
to
they
One of
reduce
the
it.
ones
he is
that
because these he's obviously bringing this to a boost. We just had a huge missile test that's deeply provocative. What he was alluding to there was
Really love
China
banana.
sanctions and doing the real sanctions, which would be the oil sanctions, and you could take North Korea back.
So now we are watching Smile Jamaica. Yeah, leave now? Well, no, I want to carry a big umbrella go to school. Normally, when I used to carry a big umbrella, I always end up in the bill. Bye, Katie. Bye, Sophie. Bye. Be careful. I'll see you guys the next time, okay? Yeah, bye. So, Katie, John just come around. So, they're leaving.
Then they are rude, they are here about our bus.
It's like the man send me to come up here again.
I did not say anything like that.
See them there. Where are they? They're lost. Oh, seriously. Okay, can you so funny? You can find smiles today. Parrot. And the next guy. So, I'm just leave.
Find out more at Burrito.com today. Burrito, making money work for you.
Pass your 6-second stamps in May and January. Register for in-person classes, visit PRR.government or select online classes. Ask about classes start in January.
As the answer. Imagine the possibilities of a whole new look, indoors and out. And bathroom fixtures will help you transform your bathroom outdoor living area into that stunning look you've always dreamed.
You don't miss it, and I see you still trying to get some time with your student. What kind of
Yes, that's my wife.
How is she doing?
She's good enough. She's actually in Bible school.
Yeah, as a morning routine, we're gonna feed the chicken. Yeah. So by the time you done show on how to feed chicken, on can raise chicken on the yard. Yeah. It's always good to raise chicken so you don't need to buy, because some of them places put some hormones on the chicken, so it's good to raise your own chicken. Let me show you them again.
Look at the right here. Huh? I don't know some of them, man.
I know them are. Or the smart one, them will go at the corner now. None of them are smart yet, man. Oh, one out of the bunch. Oh. So, yeah, we'll give them water in that pan. Yeah, wash it off and give them water. Ooh, this Sunday. So, yeah. I went for it a long time. Ready for kill for Christmas though?
Yeah, they're not quite ready yet.
Just 2 more weeks and I'm ready. Yeah. Oh, I see you guys in the next week.
Apple tree. And apple tree. Yeah, so it's good to have your fruits and all of these in your backyard so you don't need to buy it. So yeah.